Alright, this is a review for the RPNB multifunction pistol safe RP2005. It's got 3 modes of access with the key, which is through this pole right here. It's a magnetic. Second access is through these pins. And it looks like you can only have one set of combination to get this to work. Okay. According to the manual, if you change it, then the previous one will be erased. Now the fingerprint, which is the feature that we're wanting to use, okay, there are 20 fingerprints that could be programmed, and as you can see, it recognizes pretty fast. Okay, the features inside, it's got 2 latches instead of the one from the previous models. Padded foam on the inside, pretty solid construction. It also has a set of bolt that you can use to bolt this down using these holes in here. Actually, using these holes to here in the bottom. To power this device, there is a slot right in here, which is kind of hard to get into. You need to kind of like slide it